Today, I will teach you how to make a toast crossbody bag. Soft, glutinous, super cute. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the perfect zipper crossbody bag from scratch. We're going to make a backpack out of this puff box. The length is 48 and the height is 43 centimeters. We fold it up and down. And then fold it left and right. Measure 4 centimeters up from our turning point. Line like this. Measure 11.5 centimeters into the fold here. Draw the line and measure 15 from the 4 centimeters line up. After the painting is done, from our 15th place, draw the arc directly. From the line of 11.5, measure 11 further out. Mark. Follow the line we drew. Cut it out like this. And then we cut it, and then we open it up. This is what our bag looks like. And then we fold it like this from the bottom of the bag. Mark. Same thing here. After making the mark, take out our soft ruler. From our marker point, measure like this. This is the size of our upper zipper, 34 centimeters. Plus seams. Then measure down from the top of the mouth on the other side, 5.5 centimeters. Draw the line and remember. Cut it according to the line we drew. After cutting, in the middle, this is the upper zipper position. First, let's go to this zipper on the watch. Our zipper front faces the watch. The front of the pocket is attached to the back of the zipper, in the car directly. Replace it with the zipper horn we give away. After the car number, we turn it over to the front. Then there's a bright line on the car. After our first zipper is numbered, bring ribe directly like this. Align with zipper. Take out our faces and face them. In the car directly. The same after the car number, the open line on the car here. Next, let's make the zipper on the bag. The watch part and the zipper are facing each other. There is a zipper on the front and side, and the car on the back has arrived. Let's sort it out after the car number. Above this department, move the same car to the open line of 0.1. This side does the same thing as him. After the zipper has the car number, we will install the zipper head. After the zipper is numbered, add 2 bags on the side. Then take out our watch department. The zipper is face to face with the watch. Ribe is also face to face with the watch department, so it's the same on this side of the car. This place has a bag mouth or something. Look thick and hard. You can also go directly. The other side got to the car the same way as him. After the zipper car number, turn our bags right over. Fix the watch cloth and the rib like this. After the bottom is fixed, we fold in half to the center point. Sit on the mark. Same with the zipper. Then align the center point with the center point. Sew a circle in the car. Same method here. After the car number here, the other side has the same method as him. In this way, after the car number on both sides of the car, take out our hemming strips. Wrap it like this. Take a look, plus the bag strip is 8 or 9 layers thick. Same as him here. After both sides are hemmed, we flip the bag to the front. After turning it over, hang a bag on both sides. So our bags are ready. There is a pocket on the outside. Take a look inside. The interior is also very large. Thanks for watching and don't forget like and subscribe.